A few months ago, Apple launched the new AirPods 3. I believe some of you must be thinking what are the differences between these earbuds and the AirPods Pro. So let us unbox it now. At first glance, the charging case looks almost the same as the AirPods Pro. After you open the cover, you will find the earbuds that look like the AirPods Pro, just without the silicone ear tip. Also, the stand is shorter compared to the previous model, which is much like the AirPods Pro. It comes with a pinch control that allows you to play, pause, and skip through song or answer the end call. You must be thinking the listening experience might not be that rich without the silicone ear tip. Although it doesn't feature active noise cancellation, it still provides you passive noise isolation and some form of noise reduction from the earbuds. These earbuds also come with a special audio feature which gives you a better surround sound experience. Besides that, it has an adaptive EQ feature that will automatically tune music to your preference. There are inward-facing microphones that detect what are you hearing, then adjust the low and mid-range frequency to deliver the details of the song. So with this, you can enjoy your music and movies with a music hall or cinema-like experience. In addition, if you plan to wear it for workouts, it is certified IPX4 sweat and water resistant. The battery capacity of the AirPods 3 is bigger and can last longer than the AirPods Pro. According to Apple, it can last up to 6 hours of listening time with a single charge. That's 1.5 hours more than the AirPods Pro. On top of that, this TWS can deliver up to 30 hours of music playback with the case. The price tag of this TWS is 829 ringgit, which is 270 ringgit less than the AirPods Pro. Personally, I will still go for the AirPods Pro because of the noise cancellation features. But some of my friends prefer the AirPods 3 because they dislike the silicone ear tips. If you are looking for active noise cancellation, I suggest you go for the AirPods Pro. If you are looking for a big battery, then this AirPods 3 will be better. The decision is yours. Let us know what you choose in the comments below. Hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah, and I will see you in the next video.